If you don't like dry history but still get chills from epic firsts, then stick around. Thor Able 1 is the launch you need to know. Thor Able 1 was a US rocket launched on August 17, 1958. Powered by a Thor intermediate-range ballistic missile and an Able upper stage, it aimed to send America's first satellite to the moon. The mission ended in failure. The rocket exploded mid-flight. But that spark lit the fire for future missions. Thor Able 1 paved the way for NASA, inspiring engineers and showing the world that science can rise from setbacks. Every giant leap for mankind starts with a brave first step. Thor Able 1 was one of those steps.